All right, this exercise is prone shoulder extension, pails and rails. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be flat on the ground. Our head could relax onto our opposite forearm here. This focused arm here is gonna be at our side, but I want our thumbs facing up towards the ceiling here. The pails activation here is we're gonna drive our pinky side of the hand down into the ground, starting at 10% pressure, driving down for the prescribed amount of time, holding that. Then we're gonna go into the rails activation. So we're gonna take a deep breath in. We're gonna try to squeeze our tricep and the back of our shoulder here without opening up our chest. We wanna keep our chest flat on the ground, and we wanna lift that arm straight up and hold, drop back down, and repeat.